Good morning, class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fine. This is your math lecture. Book is Countdown Book 5. Today is Tuesday, 15 December 2020. Our topic is parameter and area. Subject is math. Exercise number 8A. Today we will do question number 1, 2 and 3 on book.
Dear students, today is Tuesday, 15 December 2020. Our topic is parameter and area. Yesterday we have done its activity and we also have done its introduction. From that we can say that measurement of total length of a shape is called its parameter and the space inside a closed figure is called its area. Today we will do exercise number 8A, page number 156, question number 1, 2 and 3. Let's start. Students, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A part, we can find the parameter of any. What kind of shape we find it parameter and area? It was closed shape, right? So the answer is closed. B part is parameter of a square with side L is equals to. Students, you know that square has 4 sides, right? So to calculate its parameter we will add all these 4 sides or we can multiply all its 4 sides. How many sides are there? 4. So the answer will be 4L. C part is parameter of a rectangle with side L and B is equals to. Students, during our activity I have told you that area of a rectangle is equals to length multiply by breadth. Breadth. So its parameter will be equals to 2 multiply by length plus breadth. Our D part is the parameter of a square with 8 cm each will be equals to dash. So now if we consider L equals to 8, so its parameter will be equals to 4 multiply by 8 because the formula of parameter of a square is equals to 4 into L. So for the if L is equals to 8 centimeter, so its area will be 4 multiplied by L. 4 8s are 32. So 32 centimeter will be our answer. Now we'll move on to fifth part. If the side of a rectangle are 2 cm and 5 cm, then its parameter will be. We know that parameter of a rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So when we put the value, we will get length is given 2 cm and breadth is given 5 cm. So here we have 2 into 2 plus 5, 7. So our answer is 2 sevens are 14 centimeter. So students, let's move on to question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. Parameter is the sum of all the boundary lines of a shape. Students, I have told you that the total length of a shape, closed shape, is called its parameter, or the edge Distance around the edge of the shape is called its perimeter. So this is true. Next is, we can find the perimeter of a rectangular shapes only. This is false. We can find the perimeter of all the closed shapes. So this is false. Okay students, let's move on to the third part. If the length and breadth of a rectangle is 13 cm and 15 cm respectively, then its perimeter is 28 cm. Okay students, if you add 13 and 15, sides are 13 and 15 centimeter. First of all, we will add them up. 13 plus 15, 28. 28 into 2, 56 centimeter. But they have given you 28 centimeter, so it is also false. Next is, the perimeter of a square with side 23 centimeter is 92 centimeter. Perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiplied by L. 4 into 23 is equals to 92. So it's true. If the perimeter of a square is 28 centimeter, then its each side is 7 centimeter. This is true because 4 sevens are 28. Question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given option. The perimeter of a square of side L is measured by 4 into L. So B is the right option. If L is equals to 3 centimeter and B is equals to 4 centimeter, the units of the perimeter will be centimeter. Remember that when we write perimeter, its unit will always have centimeters, and in area we write centimeter squares. The perimeter of the following shape is, okay, to calculate the perimeter of the shape, they have given you a composite shape. This is a square and this is a rectangle. So the perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into L. 4 6 are 24 plus perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Length plus breadth is equals to 2 plus 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 24 is equals to 32. So its perimeter will be equals to 32 centimeter. First of all, you will calculate the area of a perimeter of a square. After that, you will calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, and then you will add them up. You will get the answer 32 centimeter. The perimeter of the given shape is, okay, there are two squares, right? So 4 tens are 40 plus 4 sevens are 28. 40 plus 28 is equals to 68 centimeters. So C will be the correct option. Just you need to calculate the perimeter of these both shapes, and then you will add them up. You will get 68 centimeter. Last part. If L is the length and B is the breadth of a rectangle, then the formula to calculate its perimeter is, okay, they have given you length and breadth, and they want to know the formula of its perimeter of a rectangle. So you can see that what will be the formula? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So D is the right option. So dear students, these are question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise number 8A. You will do them on your book. You can ask in the comment box if you have any problem.